Cloud computing has been positioned as a game changer in a lot of individual organizations. The question is, will cloud computing and its broader adoption make Canada more competitive as a nation? Carlos Silva at Ontario's Clean Water Agency isn't necessarily convinced that cloud computing is the right answer for everyone, but he does see a lot of potential for small and medium-sized business.
First of all, they don't have the funding to purchase the assets, be it software or hardware. It doesn't exist. The other thing too is a lot of organizations, if they want to penetrate the Canadian market, all of a sudden now they have a presence everywhere. They decentralize. They got multiple locations for their backups as long as it's controllable. So for medium to small organizations, this is a huge benefit. For larger organizations, much more complex systems, it's a bit of a difficulty today. Tomorrow, I doubt it'll be an issue, but today it is an issue. But smaller organizations, they can have a presence that before they didn't even exist. And also the cost of running the infrastructure itself should be significantly less, as long as there's proper controls to take care of them.
At Innovapost, Dave Rea not only sees cloud computing as something of high potential for Canada as a whole, but in particular for Canada's solution provider community.
Since you asked, I've thought about what that would do to Canadian competitiveness, and my heartfelt feeling is it would vault us right to be one of the leading nations in the world. And the reason is twofold. One is that anyone, whether you're an individual or a small and medium business, you can get into cloud computing so long as you have a credit card. That's all that it takes. And if you can sign up with your credit card, you can get access to world-class application systems, world-class business processes, and go right head-to-head with any of the big players anywhere in the world. You can also scale up your business as fast as you can make it scale up. You don't have to worry about making big capital investments to buy servers, or you have armies of people. You can just rise it up as fast as you can drive your business forward. That's huge leverage. It means that maintaining the expertise, having the capital to execute with world-class technology systems, you don't have that problem anymore. As I say, anybody with a credit card, off you go. You really can, as a businessman, you can focus on driving your business and not on your administrative technology problems. The second thing, which maybe is not quite as well understood but could be more powerful, is the fact that there are many service providers, not cloud computing providers per se, but small businesses that have their capabilities on the cloud. And so you don't have to have every capability in your shop. Through these different players working with each other, you create an ecosystem of a group of small players. And that gives you enormous leverage. If you think as a small businessman, the problems of physically going and getting a sales force or getting some sort of other capability, whether it's accounting or supply chain logistics, anything like that, now you can go and find that, hook up with these, hook your systems up with them. That's incredible leverage, not just from the point of not having to invest, but being able to get access to these world-class players.